Hello there and welcome to your afternoon forecast this Thursday. Rain in the west through this afternoon into this evening. Some sunshine elsewhere, but the cloud will come and go and it will be a breezy afternoon. You can see this batch of rain moving in, some brighter echoes representing some quite moderate bursts of rain. Breezy wherever you are, but to the north and the southeast of that weather front, we should see the cloud breaking up, allowing some brighter weather to come through. And you can see the rain gradually moves in across the Isle of Man, northwest England, eventually reaching Northern Ireland and the southwest of Scotland. Temperatures 10 in the north, 14 or 15 in the south. Overnight tonight, the Met Office has issued a warning for some heavy rain anywhere from Belfast to the west of Glasgow. And with that, we could actually see some stronger winds for a time. Clearer weather towards the east there, a little bit of patchy rain coming in across central southern England. So the progression of this rain looks like this. Over Friday morning into the afternoon, this batch will move towards the east, thickening cloud, but also some showery bursts of rain. Some clearance then coming in from the west, but we are waiting in the wings for this. This is a weather front bringing with it gale force winds and heavy rain, which will sweep across the country into the early hours of Saturday morning. So here are your warning zones through Friday. Northern Ireland in particular, you can see Angus, Perth, some parts of Ayrshire, Dumfries and Galloway, and then some heavy rain and gale force winds, particularly along the coast for southern parts of Wales, as well as the West Country. So let's look at the progression of those two batches of rain through Friday. A dry start in the east, but look at this. This cloud continues to thicken, showery rain across much of Scotland, moving in across the Midlands, central southern England towards Pennine districts, eventually reaching this east coast. Some brighter weather in between, but by lunchtime, the next area of rain reaches Northern Ireland. It's going to be heavy, and the winds will pick up some strength, perhaps even damaging winds for a time. You can see the rain extends down towards much of Wales, central southern England, as well as the West Country. So through rush hour, some tricky driving conditions, perhaps even some localised flooding as this area of rain and strong winds clears up towards the northeast of Scotland. So some wet weather to come across many areas. It will remain windy in its wake, but some clearer skies, but also some quite heavy showers, particularly again for more northern areas of England, as well as southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, as well as the western side of Wales. That really sets the scene for Saturday. Yes, there'll be some brighter weather around. It will be breezy, windy in the northwest. And we can see the rain lingering on across the far north of Scotland through the afternoon. Temperatures typically 11 to 14 degrees Celsius. And for Armistice Day, heavy showers lingering on, some drier skies in between. So it's not a washout and it will remain breezy. Temperatures typically 12 to 14 Celsius. Bye-bye.